What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Epic Games Launcher slow download speed and how we can fix this up. So this is happening for many users, and let me check how we can fix this. First one, just go over here, search for the run command, press enter, then type %local app data %. Now from here, scroll down and navigate to Epic Games Launcher. Now from here, you have to get into Save It. Now from here, getting to the folder named Windows, it is inside the config, go to Windows. Now you can see there is a file named engine, we have to open this. So as you can see, I have already copied and pasted it. So by usually this will be black, or sometimes it might find any other thing. So if you have anything, just remove it. Then once afterwards, whatever it is deleted, then copy and paste this from the description and you have to save it. Now close this and you have to check. This is first and foremost step. Next one is all about, if that is not working, just go over here, search for the task manager and click on the task manager. Now from here, you have to select this one. And if you find the Epic Games here, just right click on the Epic Games. For example, you're demonstrating it with this, right click and go to, over here you can see you'll be having, not this one. Just go over here for any apps, NVIDIA for example. Just go over here, you have to set the priority and demonstrate you with this one. Just go over here. Now from here you have to set priority, will be there, but for these it's not showing. I think for this it might be there. So just set the priority for the Epic Games. That is what you have to do. That's an important one. So you have to set the priority for Epic Games. And once you set the priority for Epic Games, so just set the priority for Epic Games, then you have to check. Next one is all about, what we need to do is just go over here, search for the control panel. You have to search for the control panel and click on this one. And right down, navigate to Network and Sharing Center, go to Change Adapter Settings, Wi-Fi, right click and go to the Properties. Now from here, select this one, go to Properties, and over here use the preferred DNS server. The preferred DNS server should be 8888, and the alternative DNS server should be 884 and 4. Once you done this particular value, just close this and you have to check. Next one is all about, just go over here, search for the CMD, run as administrator and go for yes. This time we need to type the first one, that is ipconfig //DNS, press enter. Once you're done with this one, you have to close this and you have to check. Next one, parallelly, just go over here, search for the device manager. Now from here, you have to navigate to Network Adapters, select your driver, right click and go to update driver, search audibly for drivers and make sure it is up to date. If it is not up to date, just update it. That is also very important. Next one is, we need to just go over here, search for the settings, click over here and navigate to the network and internet. Make sure if any VPN is connected, just disconnect it from the VPN and you have to check. So these are some of the steps, and also apart from this, you can just get into the Epic Games. We need to make few changes in the Epic Games in order to fix the slow download issue. So just go over here, just wait for Epic Games to completely load it up. Then go to the profile over here. Now from here, you have to navigate to the settings. Now if you scroll down, you can see under the desktop notification, these two things should be unchecked. And also if you go over here, under the download, you might be able to find it. Few more things, like if you find throttle downloads, etc. If you find it, just uncheck it as it is. The very important thing is, under the downloads over here, if you get into get to download settings, you might be able to find few things. Make sure this has been set into maximum. And also, if the desktop notifications, this should be completely unchecked. Now you have to close this. Now these are the steps to fix the issue with the Epic Games download issue. And I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.